Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is about unearrings, a transformation of a mineral water, rings from the mineral water. This is the rings from the mineral water, from the empty bottles of mineral water. This is covered with the use of a metallic thread, and this is now the transformation of the rings. It's already a unique earrings, ladies earrings, made from the recycled plastic rings of the mineral water. This is the mineral water that I am using. This is the cups, and this is the ring of the mineral water, and I cut out and I removed these rings and decorated with a maroon metallic thread. And this is now the transformation of the waste materials. So I hope you like this tutorial and you'll get an idea on how to recycle your waste materials and transform into a unique and beautiful project. This is a lady's earring. Look at here. It's a ring, earrings. The base of the earring is made from the plastic rings of the mineral water and wrap around with a metallic maroon thread, and with a hook, golden hook with beads attached on the rings. So keep watching to my YouTube channel so that you will learn many things from me, and please give a thumbs up. Please share this video to your friends and subscribe to my channel so that you will learn many things from me on how to recycle waste materials and transform into a unique and beautiful project. Auf Wiedersehen, maraming salamat.